So hello guys, today we have some exciting Barcelona news. Today we'll be talking about Barcelona team's return to Camp Nou and some exciting transfer rumors along with Ronald Koeman's latest words about Barcelona. So Barcelona's main team returned to Camp Nou just to get a feel of how it is going to be like playing in an empty stadium because it has been almost 3 months since they have been in a stadium. Moreover, there's some other good news too because Lionel Messi returned to training. Although he did not take part in whole of the training, yet he did some individual training. It can be perceived as a good sign because Barcelona seem hopeful that Messi will be able to play against Real Mallorca, and that is all what we wish. Now let's move on to Barcelona's latest transfer rumors. According to Sport, a major club was willing to splash out heavily on Ansu Fati, but Bartomeu wasn't having any of it, and it is also being believed that the club offered almost 100 million, but Bartomeu refused because he believes that Ansu Fati is not for sale. Although I admit that it seems a little weird because at a time where our club is struggling financially, I doubt that a president like Bartomeu would refuse a offer of around 100 million, but let's just hope it's true because I think we can all agree that we all love Ansu Fati and we want to see him succeed in the first team. Next transfer news is about the ever controversial Ousmane Dembele because it is believed that the club is trying to sell him to some another club just to get some funds in order to sign Neymar or Lautaro Martinez. While Juventus are also interested in him, it is being believed that Ousmane Dembele is not interested in going to some another club. And another thing is that it will be really difficult for Barcelona to sell Ousmane Dembele given his recent struggle with injury. Reports have also emerged about return of Neymar to Barcelona, and it is being believed that Neymar is hopeful that he will be able to return to Barcelona, and Barcelona also seem highly hopeful that they will be able to sign Neymar Jr. But this move seems highly unlikely because I don't think in this summer transfer window we will be able to sign Neymar or even Lautaro Martinez. But let's see what happens. While another report has also emerged that Juventus still believe that they will be able to change Arthur's mind about moving to Italy. But it just seems a nonsense report because Arthur has refused to move to any other club and he has openly stated that he is happy at Barcelona and would like to see what happens at Barcelona. Now let's move on to some exciting words that Ronald Koeman has said. Ronald Koeman, who is currently the manager of Netherlands, recently gave an interview with Catalonia Radio, and he said that everyone knows it's my dream to coach at Barcelona, but the Dutchman remains focused on Netherlands. He also said some exciting words about Barcelona player Frenkie de Jong and also about Sergino Dest, who, as we all know, Barcelona are trying to sign him and seems a very good player and a very exciting player. Ronald Koeman said some fantastic words about Barcelona player Frenkie de Jong, where he stated that he believes that Frenkie de Jong can also adapt to play a little further, but his ideal position would be where Busquets plays. Recently, there has been a lot of speculation linking Sergino Dest to Barcelona, and now Ronald Koeman has said some very exciting words about Sergino Dest. He has stated that Sergino Dest is a winger for teams like Barcelona, and he believes that he is one of those wingers who can be very good offensively and is very comfortable with the ball. He believes that he is a winger who is special made for Barcelona. Ronald Koeman even said some exciting words about Barcelona player Riqui Puig, where he stated that a player like him needs to play more and more minutes, and he stated that the league in Netherlands and especially a team like Ajax would be a perfect school for him to learn and grow. Now this could also mean that Ronald Koeman is urging Barcelona and even Riqui Puig to try for a loan move to Netherlands. Now that is all for today, and stay tuned for more Barcelona news because I'll be bringing them to you regularly.